We'll tackle rule 2 in this video of logarithms, and it states that if we have the log to the base 10 of a divided by b, we can simplify this to log of base 10a minus log base 10b. And for the natural logarithm ln, which is the logarithm to the base e, we have similar pattern. Ln of a over b is equal to ln a minus ln b. Let's look at an example. We have ln 45 minus ln 14. We can write it ln brackets 45 divided by 14. So in words, we have the quotient, or the division of one logarithm by another, or one value by another. The logarithm of one value divided by another is the same as the logarithm of the numerator added to the negative value of the denominator, or the denominator subtracted from the numerator to base 10. Same applies for the natural logarithm, that's to base e. What's a real life application of logarithms? Well, pH level of chemicals. pH level of chemicals can be calculated using logarithms. Noise levels, and we can detect the half-life. So detect half-life of a radioactive element. So these are all real life. Let's write this here. Real life applications of logarithms. It's worthwhile learning the 3 main rules, and most importantly, to practice. Thanks for watching. This is Alistair. Bye for now.